How is it going, everybody? You're watching the Naval Tech, and today I'm gonna unbox the new Apple Watch Ultra with the White Ocean band. And right in the beginning, you can already tell that the box for the Apple Watch Ultra is different, is specific for this model. As you're probably familiar, this is your usual Apple Watch box, so it's white and it's narrower and kind of long. Not in this case, not on the Apple Watch Ultra, which is kind of gray, as you can see right here, and is more square. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and of course, I'm gonna give you my first impressions as well. So as you can see here, we just have Apple Watch, nothing on the top, bottom, and on the sides. I'm sorry this box is a little bit dirty, but it came in a bag because I was traveling, and since we don't have the plastic anymore, it just gets so dirty and wrinkled and everything like that, but it's completely sealed inside, okay? So as you can see right here, we have the two very well-known handles. They are still here in the Apple Watch Ultra, and here we have the information: Ultra, titanium case, and as I said, White Ocean band. So 49 millimeters, one size. We're going to talk about all of that in a second. And here we have the extra information. So all you have to do is pull the side tabs, as you can see right here. And then we already have the beautiful drawings here inside. So let's go ahead and remove this just so you can have a better idea. It looks pretty good, right? We have this graphics of the ocean, very, very nice. Let's put that to the side. And we have pretty much three pieces here inside. So we have the Apple Watch itself, we have the band, and we have this little booklet right here, which also looks very, very nice with the same graphics. So it's a better experience overall. It's more of a premium experience. As you can see, this little book looks really good, as you can see, with the Apple Watch options that we have. And right off the bat, I have to tell you that the Apple Watch Ultra comes in just one size, one color. So as you can see here, the only difference are the bands, but the Apple Watch is always 49 millimeters and always in this color, which is titanium. Okay, so as you can see right here, and then we just have graphics on how to remove the band. Here we have just the screen, how to charge it, your normal Apple Watch charging process, and then right here we have the crown, the action button, which is specific, and I'm going to talk about that in a second as well. And here we have more of the capabilities, like diving capabilities. We have specific watch faces for the Apple Watch Ultra as well. And here we can continue. And as you can see right here, the back has this textured paper, which is a little bit different. And if we remove this, this is your warranty information. So very cool as well. Okay, now moving on, we have here, as I said, the band and the Apple Watch itself. The band, as I said, is White Ocean. So let's go ahead and open it up. So all you have to do is actually open up from the bottom, which we have the seal right here. As I said, everything here is sealed off. And then let's open it up. And then always very satisfying. And then as you can see right there, information on how to remove it and how to install it. And then if we pull it out, and let's put that to the side, then we have the band itself. And as you can see right here, it's in one size, is one size fits everyone. So as you can see, it's really, really white. It's a different texture, so it looks like your typical silicone Apple Watch band, but it has those little waves right here and is perforated in the middle. So we have those circles right there. So it looks pretty cool. And right here we have the other part, the top part, which follows the same design as well, as you can see right there. But it looks much more substantial, a little bit heavy, and if you press on it, it's actually more flexible as well. So it's a really good feel. It looks more resistant, more durable. And here at the top, we have the other accessory, which is kind of a lock, as you can see right here. So this locks will actually help you lock your band in place by doing like that. So then you put it through, and then you can lock it in place much better. I'm gonna show you in action later on. Okay, so let me just remove it, and then let's move on, and of course talk about the star of the show, which is the Apple Watch Ultra. So as you can see right here, we have two little seals, as you can see right there. So pull them out, and then the other one, and then it's a box inside of a box, right? And then as we go ahead and do this, lift it up, there we go. We have the Apple Watch Ultra right here. So as you can see, it comes with this little paper right here protecting the Apple Watch itself. So just protection. And as you can see, this is huge. This is absolutely huge. This is very, very large. It's a huge thing. Of course, it's not as heavy as it looks just because it's made of titanium, as I said. So it's durable, but it's not super heavy, okay? Now, we have here this other booklet right here with more information. No, it's not information, of course. It's your charger. So then you have a braided cable. There we go. So we have the braided cable, which is awesome, having a braided cable for your Apple Watch, because this Apple Watch is all about durability, is all about resistance. So having this braided cable is awesome. This looks identical to my iMac cable, which also is exactly like that. The iMac cable is just like that, braided minus blue, actually. So then if you remove this part, we can have the charging buck itself, and then there we go. It's actually smaller than your typical Apple Watch, which is kind of strange, but the surface here is plastic and white, but the back is metal, so more resistance as well. So then pretty much after all of this opening and tearing apart and everything, this is what you got. Okay, so then you get the Apple Watch, the strap, and of course the charging cable. Let me install it and put it on my wrist. And this is the new Apple Watch Ultra. As you can see here, I'm using one of its unique watch faces, which I think looks absolutely insane. As you can see here, it's white. I'm using this one because of the white strap, of course, and then it's white on white. It looks absolutely beautiful, and of course with the orange accents to match the outside buttons on the Apple Watch Ultra, which are again specific to the model. So as you can see here, we have this action button, which is orange as well, microphone, a speaker, which is actually very, very large for an Apple Watch, and then on the other side, as you can see right here, we have your typical Apple Watch button. So then your side button and your digital crown protected by this case, let's say, that goes outside here to protect from impacts and stuff like that. So as you can see, this is the Apple Watch Ultra. It looks so crazy. It's huge, but at the same time, it looks really, really cool. It draws so much attention, guys. It's incredible. As you can see here, I'm using the White Ocean band, which has the accessory, as I showed you before, to lock it in place. It's super good, super comfortable. I love the band. Again, not 100% sure on the color, but I think with this watch face right here, white on white, and it looks really, really cool. As I said before, the case is full titanium, so it protects the watch so much. The display, the screen itself, is actually made of sapphire crystal, so super protection as well. And the bezel goes a little bit high, as you can see right here, giving an extra protection as well. So as you can see, everything is protected. Side button, digital crown, display, everything is protected by bezels, protection. The body is thought to protect the watch so much and make it extremely durable. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's my overview. That's my first impressions of the new Apple Watch Ultra. Of course, there will be a ton of content here on the channel about this bad boy right here. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll be back in a few days as usual. Bye bye, guys.